Imagine transforming your body and mind every single time you step outside for a jog. What if I told you that something as simple as jogging can change your life in ways you never expected? Not just your fitness, but your brain, your heart, your mood, even the way your cells work at a microscopic level. Today, on Fitness Tips, we're diving deep into the fascinating science of jogging and uncovering the surprising ways it reshapes your entire body. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you might just be lacing up your running shoes right now. Jogging is often seen as just a basic form of exercise, something easy and accessible. But don't let that fool you. The truth is, jogging is a powerhouse activity that sets off a cascade of changes throughout your body, many of which are still being discovered by scientists. From your muscles to your brain cells, jogging impacts almost every system inside you. Let's start with something obvious but powerful, your cardiovascular system. When you jog regularly, your heart becomes incredibly efficient. It's like training a muscle to work smarter, not harder. The heart's chambers actually grow stronger, pumping more blood with each beat. Over time, this means your resting heart rate drops. You literally need fewer beats to keep you alive at rest. This efficiency helps lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. But here's something you might not expect. Jogging doesn't just improve your heart function, it changes your blood vessels too. Your arteries become more elastic and flexible, reducing the risk of plaque buildup. So, what you're doing with each jog isn't just burning calories. You're literally clearing the roads of your internal highways, making blood flow smoother and easier. Now, here's where it gets even more exciting. Did you know jogging is like a superpower for your brain? When you jog, your brain releases a cocktail of chemicals called endorphins, which make you feel amazing, often called the runner's high. But the benefits don't stop at feeling good. Regular jogging actually promotes the growth of new brain cells, especially in the hippocampus, the area responsible for memory and learning. This means jogging can literally make you smarter and improve your ability to focus. And wait, there's more. Jogging boosts your brain's plasticity. That's its ability to adapt and rewire itself. For people struggling with anxiety or depression, this effect is a game changer. Jogging acts almost like natural therapy, reducing symptoms by balancing neurotransmitters and calming your nervous system. Back to the physical changes. When you jog, your muscles undergo a complete transformation. At first, you might feel soreness, but behind the scenes, your muscle fibers are getting stronger and more resilient. Jogging primarily uses slow-twitch muscle fibers, which are great for endurance. These fibers get better at using oxygen efficiently, which means your muscles can work longer without tiring. Over weeks and months, your legs, hips, and even your core get more toned. But it's not just about strength. Jogging increases the density of mitochondria inside your muscle cells. Mitochondria are like tiny power plants, producing the energy your cells need. More mitochondria mean your muscles become metabolic dynamos, burning fuel more effectively, which boosts your overall stamina. Here's a secret many don't realize. Jogging changes your metabolism in ways that help you burn fat long after you stop running. This is called the afterburn effect, or excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. After a good jog, your body works overtime to recover, repairing muscles and restoring oxygen levels. During this recovery, your metabolism stays elevated, torching calories at a higher rate for hours. So jogging isn't just exercise in the moment. It's a metabolism booster that keeps working when you're relaxing. Let's talk about bones. Jogging is a weight-bearing exercise, which means it puts stress on your bones in a good way. This stress stimulates your body to produce more bone tissue, making your skeleton stronger and denser. For anyone worried about osteoporosis or bone loss as they age, jogging is one of the best natural defenses. Over time, your risk of fractures drops, and you maintain mobility longer. Even your joints benefit from jogging, contrary to some misconceptions. Regular, moderate jogging actually helps lubricate your joints and strengthens the muscles around them, providing better support. Of course, like anything, balance is key. Proper shoes, good form, and listening to your body help prevent injuries. What if jogging could make you sick less often? It turns out it can. Studies have shown that moderate jogging strengthens your immune system by increasing circulation of immune cells. This means your body becomes better at detecting and fighting off infections. Jogging acts like a natural immune booster, especially when done consistently and not overdone. But beware, too much jogging without rest can have the opposite effect, suppressing immunity. So the magic is in balance. Steady, regular jogs keep your defenses high and your health resilient. Now, here's a change many joggers love but often overlook: the impact on your lungs and breathing. When you jog, your lungs increase their capacity and efficiency. You start breathing deeper and stronger, expanding your lung volume. Over time, this means more oxygen gets delivered to your muscles and organs, fueling your entire body better. If you've ever felt out of breath climbing stairs or doing daily tasks, jogging can improve this dramatically. Also, jogging trains your diaphragm and other breathing muscles to work more efficiently, making everyday breathing easier and less tiring. This effect is especially beneficial for people with mild asthma or other respiratory challenges. Jogging regularly can improve symptoms and lung function. Beyond the physical, jogging is one of the most powerful natural mood enhancers known to science. It helps combat stress by lowering levels of the stress hormone cortisol. Think of jogging as your daily reset button, washing away anxiety and tension. Many joggers report improved sleep, more energy during the day, and a general sense of well-being that no pill can match. And for those dealing with depression, jogging can be a lifeline. The act of moving rhythmically and steadily outdoors exposes you to sunlight, which boosts vitamin D, a critical factor in mental health. Plus, jogging encourages mindfulness, helping you stay present and focused, breaking cycles of negative thinking. Let's not forget about weight management. Jogging is a top choice for burning calories and losing fat, but it's not just about burning. It also helps regulate your appetite by balancing hormones like ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and leptin, the satiety hormone. This hormonal harmony means you're less likely to overeat or crave unhealthy foods, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight in the long term. Plus, jogging helps preserve lean muscle mass while you lose fat, which is crucial because muscle burns more calories even at rest. So jogging sculpts your body, trims fat, and helps keep you looking lean and toned. Finally, let's talk about one of the most exciting discoveries: jogging's effect on aging and lifespan. Studies of long-lived populations often reveal that regular aerobic exercise like jogging is a key factor. Jogging reduces inflammation, improves insulin sensitivity, and even lengthens your telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA that shorten with age. Longer telomeres are linked to slower aging and lower risk of chronic diseases. In simple terms, jogging can help you live longer, healthier, and more active years. It keeps your body young at a cellular level, delays the effects of aging, and keeps your energy high well into your golden years. So, next time you think jogging is just a simple exercise, remember this: every jog reshapes your heart, brain, muscles, bones, lungs, immune system, and even your DNA. It's a full body, mind-enhancing, life-extending experience packed into every step. The surprising answer to how jogging changes your body is that it does so profoundly, inside and out, seen and unseen. If you enjoyed this deep dive into jogging's incredible benefits, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Fitness Tips for more life-changing health content, and share your jogging experiences in the comments below. What surprising changes have you noticed since you started jogging? Keep moving, keep thriving, and I'll see you in the next video.